Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in today's video I'm gonna be filming I don't know exactly what I'm gonna film today. Basically, how I spend my day, I'm gonna film that. And oh yeah, I just turned off the fan because the fan was making too much noise. And I just realized that I cannot make the whole entire video by turning off the fan. I have to turn on the fan because I'm literally sweating right now. Oh my god, it's so hot in Kolkata. Yeah, and if it makes a little bit of noise, then please bear with me, guys. And yeah, I'm beach mein I'm gonna speak in Hindi because my roommate, she's Nepali, but the other side, the two girls, they are Assamese, so they don't understand Nepali, so obviously they don't understand, so we communicate with them in Hindi. So yeah, first of all, I'm gonna make my bed because my bed is super messy right now. I cannot show you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna make bed. Done with making my bed, and now I'm gonna eat fruits because I already ate my part of rice and sabji in the morning itself. So now I have to eat fruits से काम चलाना पड़ेगा. And yeah, मुझे मोमोज, थुक्पा, चाउमीन, बम्बी, आलू थुक्पा, इन सब का बहुत क्रेविंग हो रहा है. स्पेशली तितली का. इतना गर्म में तितली कितना मीठा होता अगर मेरे पास होता तो. क्या करें, नहीं है. वी डोंट गेट इट हियर इन कोलकाता. सो या अब खुद से काम चलाना पड़ेगा. सो या now I'm gonna eat fruits. My friends, they are having their lunch, and my roommate is not here. I wanted to show her, but she's not in the room. If she comes back earlier or whenever she comes, I'll show you guys all. मेरे एक फ्रेंड को तो आपने देखा ही होगा मेरे लास्ट वीडियो में, Sarmishta को. Now let's go and see what Sarmishta and Bhonti is doing. Oh yeah, Bhonti का भी एक स्टोरी है. असमीज भाषा में बहन को Bhonti बोलते हैं, इसीलिए वो मेरी बहन है, वो फर्स्ट ईयर में है, इसीलिए मैं भी उसको Bhonti ही बुलाती हूँ. उसका नाम उर्वशी है, पर मैं उसको Bhonti बुलाती हूँ. और जब मैं Bhonti उन लोगों को बुलाती हूँ तो वो लोग सब हंसते हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. उन लोगों ने कहा है कि मैं Bhonti ऐसे बोलूँगी ना तो वो रिकॉर्ड करके लेके जाएंगे और सब गांव में सुनाएंगे. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. बहुत फ़नी लगता है उन लोगों को जब मैं Bhonti बोलती हूँ तो. आई वाज लाइक, पहले मैं आई यूज्ड टू हियर Monty, so I thought her nickname is Monty. So I asked her, why you are calling her Monty? And she was like literally laughing and no, I'm calling her Bhonti. हमारे लैंग्वेज में बहन को Bhonti बोलते हैं, जैसे नेपाली में बहनी बोलते हैं ना बहन को, वैसे ही सिस्टर को Bhonti बोलते हैं. So let's go and check what they are doing. I know they are having their lunch. मस्त से खा रहे होंगे. चलो अब जाके देखते हैं क्या कर रहे हैं वो लोग. Let's go and see. Let's go and check what they are doing. I'm so sorry guys, I told you all that I'll show her my friends, but I did not show them because they were feeling uncomfortable. So that's why forcefully किसी का वीडियो ऐसे लेना अच्छा भी नहीं है. So I did not film them. इसी दिन लेके ही रहूँगी इन दोनों का वीडियो में. Ponty is washing the dishes. Samishta is वो क्या कर रही है, खिला रही है बीन्स को. Finished eating the fruits. Now I'm gonna take a short nap because I'm feeling very drowsy because of the weather, you know. I'm feeling sleepy, so I'm just going to take a nap now. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye. Hello everyone, this is the next day. So yesterday I told you all that I was taking a short nap, but due to some reasons I couldn't film. So yeah, today I'm filming. So in the morning my Flipkart Grocery parcel came. So yeah, I'm gonna do a small haul. This was the parcel. And I bought some stuff to eat. Let me show you guys. First up, I have this mixed dry fruits. It's called Happy Low Daily Super Healthy Mix. This is the thing I bought, and the next one is this Chanachur. The next one is this oats raisins biscuit. The next one is this choco pie. I love this choco pie. I'm a huge fan of this. I usually don't eat sweets, but I don't know why. I just love this. I only love this. I don't like Cadbury's and all, but I like this very much. Next up is this Bingo chips. It cost me only 32 rupees. Its original price is 50 rupees, I guess. And the last one is this peanut butter. Yeah, that's all I got from Flipkart Grocery. I bought all the stuffs in discounted rates, so that's why I ordered this. They usually deliver their products within one day only. I ordered this a day before, so it came today in the morning itself, like around 7:30, I guess. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is the peanut butter. I looked for the bread also, but I didn't get the bread. So for the bread, I need to go to the Spencer's in the evening, I guess, with my friends. I'll show you around. Obviously, I cannot eat only the peanut butter. I need bread also. So for the bread, we are going to the Spencer's in the evening, I guess. So yeah. So now we are gonna rest for some time. My friends, they are going to the parlor, and after going to the parlor, they'll call me and Akriti, my roommate, and we will join them and we will go to the Spencer's. So yeah, meet you all there in the Spencer's. Bye bye. They are my friends. We are going to the Spencer's. इधर देखो ना, guys.
Hi.
Urvashi. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna prepare the dinner. We have bought the button mushrooms from the Spencer. I'm making the mushrooms for the first time in my life. So I watched some YouTube videos how to make this button mushrooms. So I got some idea from there. Now I'm gonna make it. Let's see how it turns out to be. I hope it turns out to be good and tasty only. So yeah, let's do it. And yeah, I am doing a lot of things for the first time in my life. So yeah, it's nice to explore things. So let's just make the mushrooms. So guys, we are done with our dinner. I was not expecting the mushroom to be this sort of good. It was like damn tasty. I loved it. The taste was so juicy and so yummy. And now we are gonna sleep. So yeah, I'm ending my video here only. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Bye bye.